Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist here at Tech Travel Geeks, and this is the unboxing and review of a Baseus cable I purchased on AliExpress. This cable is a USB Type-C to USB Type-C cable, rated for 100 watts, and it also has a little wattage indicator in one of the USB Type-C ends. So let's open up the bag. It's pretty simple. There's a few details on it, and at the front it says Baseus, and at the bottom it says everyone is using Baseus. So I suppose I am everyone. I do have a charger for my iPhone that is branded Baseus. But let's see what this USB Type-C cable is like. It's actually very nice. So first impressions are really nice soft braided cable. In this case, I believe this one is a 2-meter cable. Let me just double check. It doesn't actually say on the packaging, but I'm pretty sure that I ordered the 2-meter cable on the website. You see there is a Baseus branded cable tidy, which is good to see. And the ends have obviously Baseus branding on them, and there's a little bit of orange in here. So I'm assuming this is trying to say that it should work with high-powered devices and smartphones that support ultra-fast charging, such as, in this case, Xiaomi or Honor devices, but we'll see in a moment. And at the other end, we have the little indicator here. There's a little bit of plastic over this to keep it protected, and it does say 100 watts on the side of it. But let's get that plastic sheen off to see what it actually feels like. Oh well, I'll give up on that for now. So what we're going to do is try this out with my Unitech charger. So we know that this is a high power charger, 66 watt charger with USB Type-C. So let's see how it performs with the Baseus cable. Now the first test we're going to do is the Baseus cable at one end in our USB-C 1 port in the Unitech charger. And I have here my Xiaomi 11T Pro 5G. This phone supports 120 watt charging. It's currently at 76% charge, so it's more than half. But let's see what throughput we get with the Baseus cable and this smartphone. So it's indicating a quick charge, which is great. And we're seeing that it's now going up to 23 watts on here. Now, this may not be completely representative because the phone is already semi-charged, so it's not a great example. So what we're going to do next is, I've given it a few seconds to carry on charging. 23 watts is respectable. That means that your battery should charge, in this case, the last third in around about half an hour. But let's double check that on the battery section. So yes, it says 11 minutes until fully charged. That's really actually faster than I was expecting. And yeah, not too bad. Let's move on. So I have here my laptop. In this case, it's an HP X360 EliteBook. Let's open it up first and open up the battery indicator and see where it is. Quick face unlock going on here. There we go. Okay then, so I'm going to plug in to the side here, to the power port. And we see that it's running at 1 watt initially, and it starts ramping up 22, 30. So the Baseus cable in this case is covering up to 53 watts, which is pretty fast. So it is a USB power delivery cable. I don't have any 100 watt devices to go for it, but overall first impressions are very positive. It's a soft braided cable. It has a cable tidy. It has a wattage indicator on one of the ends of the cable. This is a very useful cable for charging all sorts of devices, as we saw, tablets, phones, computers, and who knows, it may also be used with power banks. But for now, I think we can wrap up this review. It says what it does on the, it does what it says on the tin. It tells you, or it says what the wattage charge is, so I'm pretty happy with that. For what is less than £8 sterling on AliExpress, I'll leave a link in the description to where you can buy this cable, and a link to the Unitech charger that I've been pairing this with. So if you made it this far in the video, thank you for watching. If you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. And if you'd like to see more content and be notified of when we publish it, please do have that notification bell turned on. But for now, thanks for watching and goodbye from me.